For more information, see the description below. Namaste. Om Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspatana Shrimvanuti Bihi Siddhasadanam Om Ganganapataye Namaha. So, yesterday we finished Aviparyayaha.
Yes.
A very
just
important.
opposite of Vibharya, that's all. Very simple.
Yes.
It may appear like Vibharya, but it is not really Vibharya because it changes the conditions of. Okay.
So now we move up to, let's see, Purva Paksha.
Purva. You know it because Purva Vaksha, Uttara Vaksha, there are two groups, right?
Mm-hmm.
Purva Vaksha and Uttara Vaksha, there are two groups always in the literature of Sanskrit. Whether it is Darshana, whether it is Tattva Shastra, whether it is Vedanta,
Like in
or
Purva
whether it is
Mimamsa.
Sahitya.
Oh, today came before the rain. Good. I'm glad.
Whatever be the thing, there will be a Purva Vaksha and Uttara Vaksha. You know what is the purpose of Purva? First you understand.
Okay.
Purva Vaksha, Uttara Vaksha is, you will get the answer itself. You see, what is the meaning of Purva Vaksha? Those who are sitting in front of you. Paksha means side.
Okay.
Purva means in front. So the side that is sitting in front of you. For what purpose they will sit in front of you?
To understand,
To raise the
learn.
questions in your points.
Okay.
Right? So what will you do? You will give them
Explanation.
Uttara. That is Uttara, answer.
Okay.
You will give the answer. That's why you are Uttara Paksha and they are Purva Paksha. Who are the Purva Paksha?
The question.
Questions. Objectors. Objectors are generally Purva Paksha and the writer is the Uttara Paksha. Clear?
Yes. Here.
Clear?
What comes first and then what comes next? Later.
Yeah. Because, see, at that time, there was no evaluation, there was no Viva OC, there was no subject expert or anything like that. If I wanted to publish a book, if I wanted to write a text, I will tell that to the king and king will call all the scholars in that assembly. And I have to present my topic in that assembly, like the seminars.
Okay.
Okay. Then immediate, when I present itself, they will ask the questions to me.
Okay.
So I have to answer to them. Like that, the textbook will be qualified to become a approved textbook. Clear? So there will be always Purva Paksha in. You know, Purva Paksha, sometimes the author himself will show the Purva Paksha. Sometimes the Purva Paksha will be told by the commentators. Author himself will mention that Purva Paksha is there. Okay?
So when we were studying the word atata there in the beginning of Ashtanga Hridaya, you told that there was some questionings there and now there was being answered.
That's all.
So that atata is meaning Uttara Paksha.
Uttara Paksha is telling.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm
There
replying.
will be a Purva Paksha. It can be disciples, it can be assembly, or it can be the scholars belongs to the same schools, whatever it may be. There will be questionnaire always.
Nowadays we have like schools of Ayurveda, the South one, mainly from Ashtanga Hridaya, the North one, mainly from Chara. The Sushruta one
It is common.
okay.
But
But we
actually,
also have
I'll tell you,
a
when this
Siddha.
Ashtanga Hridaya established in Kerala and Charaka established in North India, all these cultures have changed. But very olden time, you consider it as in the 2nd century, 3rd century AD and etc.
Okay.
During that time, when the books have to be published, have to be written in its form, it should be presented in front of an assembly. Okay? So first what will happen, the author himself will write the textbook in front of his disciples and disciples will ask the question and he will answer it and it would have come into almost the Purva Paksha will be presented in the form of disciples. But again, this will go to the assembly and the Purva. And he will do, what the author will do, after this presentation in the assembly, he will complete the textbook, and present in that one he mentioned that like this Purvaksha was there, this is the answer for that one.
Pak is also to digest, right?
Yeah?
Pak is also digestion, right?
That is
transformation.
Yeah, that is different.
There is Pak.
No. Pachu only. Pachu dhatu. It is Pachu dhatu, Pakkum, all words are there. That is Pachu dhatu.
Okay. Paksha is not Pachda.
Paksha is Pa is an Adesha. Ksha is the word there.
Okay.
Ksha means included in that. That meaning is there.
Okay. Should we put any nirukti for Purva Paksha? Or not?
It is Visheshna Vishesha. Purvaha, Pakshaha, Purvavakshaha.
Purvaha,
Pakshaha, Purvavakshaha.
Paksha,
Purvavakshaha.
Visheshana
Visheshana
is just now in adjective.
Adjective and noun.
Okay. Visheshana is adjective.
Yeah.
Vishesha is noun.
noun.
Oh, today I'm dry.
It's going to severe now. It will come already when started. Terrific. Very terrific. Nobody can predict this climate.
So this is Visheshana Vishesha.
Visheshana Vishesha Samasa.
Okay. Understood.
Okay. Now read the Purvaksha.
Purva Pakshastu, Purvesham, Paksheshwa, Paksheshu, Paksheshu api,
Atma Pakshata.
Atma Pakshata.
Split the word. Purvakshaha plus 2.
Purva Pakshaha plus 2.
Next word is Purvesham.
Purva plus Isham.
That is Purvesham Shashti Bhuvajana.
Okay. Purvesham.
Tesham you will split it as Ta plus Esha. Okay. Paksheshu. Shenu Sandhi will come. Api. Plus Atma Pakshata. Both are Renu Sandhi.
Paksheshu
plus
api
plus Atma Pakshata.
Atma
Pakshata.
Paksha.
Ta. Ta is a suffix.
Ta.
Ta is for bhave. See, Daridrata.
Okay.
Daridrata means poverty. Daridryam is also poverty.
Okay.
Daridratvam is also poverty. So
Okay.
there are tvam, yat and ta. There are three suffixes which will give the bhavartha.
Twan.
Manushyatvam.
Yat.
Manushyatvam.
Okay.
It is samanya.
I know the Twan. Twan is
Yes,
the most
tvam
common.
is very famous. It is common. But ta is very less. Daridrata, samanata. There are few words they are having this tal pratyaya. That pratyaya is called tal pratyaya. It is also for bhave only. Bhava only.
Pave is only for its existence.
Its family, to show its common properties.
Okay.
Manushyatvam is the common properties found in man
Manhood.
being. Yeah, man being. Say. Samanada, commonness among a group.
So it's going to be hood in English.
Yeah, cool in English. Hood is the common properties to be found in that group, right? Bachelorhood means the common properties should be found in bachelors, right?
Samanya.
Childhood. The common properties should be found in a group of children, right?
Okay. Samanya.
It is actually Samanya. Jati, Samanya. In diseases also Jati, Samanya is there now.
I have a question about that property of Vata,
Ah.
that it's carry along the property of things that it touches. Is it Vahan or Vyahi?
Once again.
Vata, if touches things, it carries the properties along with it, just like Taila has this property. What is the Sanskrit word for this? Is it Vaha or Vyahi?
Only Va. Vahate, Vahati.
Vahati, Vahati.
Vahaha is the noun form. Vahati is verbal form.
Okay, but is this one of the gunas of Vata? Vata has one guna that is with Va.
But it is not guna. See, they will say that
property.
Chala guna is a property.
Okay,
it is not carrying actually. It is moving itself. So everything will be moving along with the wind.
But this is Chala.
See, that's why I told you. See, what property of Vada helps for the carrying of other things? The Chala property of Vada helps for carrying other. See,
but this carrying is what Vyahi.
Listen. Water has the nature of Dravatva. So it flows.
Okay.
Whatever you put in that one, automatically the water carries it. Can you say the water carrying it or water flows, so everything is flowing along with that one?
But usually what's making the water to flow, it's Vayu. Because if there is
Forget
no Vayu...
about Vayu, I am giving an example for you. Water is flowing, okay? You are putting something in that one.
Okay.
We will say that, oh, the water is carrying that material, we will say. But really it is carrying, or as it is flowing, this is also flowing?
Okay.
Same way, Vada has the nature of movement. So anything comes closer to it automatically will be carried by this Vada. So it is not, carrying is not the duty of the Vada. As Vada moves, everything being carried by it.
Okay, so when there is hotness and the Vata comes and move this hotness along, what is the word that it's using?
That's what called Vahaha.
Vahi. V-A-H-I. No dirgha. Vahi.
Only Vahi. That is Yoga Vahi.
Yoga Vahi, yes. Okay.
What more you want?
Okay.
Yoga Vahi.
Because I was searching for that word today and it appeared Vahana. And I said,
Vahanam. Yes. See, Gunam, Guni. What is the meaning of Guni? That which causes. That's all. So what is the meaning of Vahi? That which has the property of carrying. Vahi. That which carries, right?
Yes.
The process of carrying is Vahanam.
Okay.
It will get the name Vahi.
Okay.
Clear? That's it. Come on.
Gunam asya asti iti guni.
Dehamasya asti iti dehi.
Okay. So Purva Pakshaha tu. Purvesham Paksheshu. This Paksheshu is Saptami.
Correct. Saptami.
Api Atma Pakshata. Okay, word by word there.
You tell me word by word meaning. Purvaksha is giving the name.
Okay.
Tu means I told you. It's an avya. Let, but are the common meanings to do that. Let me explain Purvaksha. Like that, the author says.
Yes.
Got it? So tell me. Let me explain Purvaksha.
Okay.
Purvavaksheshu. What is the meaning of Purvavaksheshu?
Purvesham.
Purvesham Paksheshu.
Okay.
Shall I tell you? Can you tell the Vigrahakya of Purvaksha? Purvaha Pakshaha Visheshana Visheshya. Right?
Yes.
If you take Paksha of Purva, side of the opposites, which Vibhakti Samasa will come?
What is the question?
That means Purvakshaha, I told you, it is the opposite, side of opposition.
Okay.
Side of the opposition. Paksha is always give the meaning side.
Okay.
Okay? So Visheshana Visheshya is one of the samasa. If you take it as Tatpurusha samasa, how can you say the Vigraha?
Sya something there.
Purvasya Pakshaha or Purvesham Pakshaha. That is what is here. Purvesham Paksheshu.
Okay.
Understood? In the side of the opposites. So here Purva in front. That means opposites. Purvesham. Opposites. Paksheshu side. In the side of the opposites. The side of the opposites means? Tell me. Can you guess? It is an assembly. The side of opposites means?
The people that are making the question.
Debaters, right?
Okay.
So Purvesham Paksheshu can be taken as the Vigraha Vakya of?
Purva Paksha.
Yes, it is Tatpurusha Samasa. If it is Visheshna Samasa, then how it will be? Purvaha Pakshaha.
Okay.
So a single word can be told in two different ways. Vigraha Vakya, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Clear?
Clear?
Yes.
So, Purvesham of the
Debaters.
Debaters. Paksha, side. Wing,
Okay.
side.
Okay.
Paksha, have you heard about Paksha as wing of the bird?
No.
Okay.
But I
Paksha
can
Aghadam,
understand.
have you heard about Paksha Aghadam? It's a disease, Paksha Aghadam.
Yeah, when it's frozen,
Paksha Aghadam.
I can imply that, but I didn't know.
One minute, still I will tell you. Shukla Paksha and...
Paksha, this I know.
Have you heard? Shukla
Yeah.
Paksha and Krishna Paksha?
Yes.
How it become Paksha?
It's half there.
A month will be divided into
Halves.
two.
Two sides.
Yes. So that is why the wings of the birds also can be called as
Paksha.
Paksha. Clear now?
Now will be ever recorded. Because Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha.
This is the way Paksha is getting the meaning side.
Okay.
Both the sides of part, side.
Api.
So Purvaksha means Api also. That you know.
Yes. Look, now I have a list.
Yes. Sure, very good.
It will help.
Okay. Now what is the meaning of Atma Paksha? Can you say the Vigraha Vakya of Atma Paksha?
It's going to
If
be...
Purvaksha is Purvesham Paksha, then what will be the Vigraha Vakya of Atma Paksha? Come. Shashti Tattvasha.
Okay.
Atma Shabda Shashti Egodanam you have to say.
So it's going to be...
Atma Shabda Shashti Egodanam. It is Nakaranta Pullinga. We
Nakara.
studied.
Yes, we studied. Atma... It's going to be Ekavachanam, right?
There are similar forms, Didya Bahuvadanam, Panjami Egodanam and Shashti Egodanam for Atma Shabda. Same form. This also you asked me.
Atmanam.
Atmanaha. Atma, Atmanau, Atmanaha. Atmanam, Atmanau, Atmanaha. Shashti Bahuvadanam. Okay, so Didya Bahuvadanam. Okay, Tridiya Egodanam is Atmana, Atmabhyam, Atmabhihi. Atmane, Atmabhyam. If you want, you can write. Atma, we
I
wrote,
have
I
one
think
here.
once. Atma,
This is going to be Nakaranta.
Nakaranta.
Pullinga.
Atma, Atmanau.
Just a second. Atma.
Atma, Atmanau, Atmanaha. Atmanam. Atmanam, Atmanau, Atmanaha.
Atmanam.
Atmanam, Atmanau, Atmanaha. Sudden change you will.
Atmanaha.
Now with the Atmana, Tridiya Egodanam. Atmana. Tridiya Divadanam you can say, Bahuvadanam also you can say. Tell me.
Bhyam. Bihi.
Atmana.
Atmana.
Not Bhyam. Bhyam.
Bhyam.
Atmabhyam, Krishnabhyam.
Atma.
Atmabhyam.
Bhyam.
Atmana, Atmabhyam.
Bhyam.
Atmabhihi.
Atma.
Bihi.
Bihi.
Not bihi, bihi.
Bihi.
There is no dirgha. Rasva.
Okay.
Now, Chaturthi Egodanam. Atmane. What will be Divadanam and Bahuvadanam?
Atmane. Atmabhyam. Atma. Bhyaha.
Correct. Atmabhyam.
Okay.
Panjami, Atmanah. Panjami is Atmanah.
Atmanah.
Tell, other two.
Atmabhyam, Atmabhyah.
Correct.
Okay.
Shashti Egojanam. Atmanah. Shashti Egojanam also Atmanah.
Okay.
Atmanoho.
Atmanoho.
Atmanam.
Atmanam.
Yes. Atmani.
Atmani.
Atmanoho.
Atmanoho.
Atmasu.
Atmasu.
So now you tell me what is the Vigrahavakya of Atma Pakshata. Shashti Tatpurusha.
Atmanaha.
Pakshata. Then what is the meaning of that? One is side of opposition, right? So this will be
In the side of the speaker.
Speaker. Side of the self. Clear? Now you tell me the total meaning.
In the Purva Paksha, there is going to be one person speaking and the other will be speaking the other side. So full meaning,
Tell me.
there is one person in one side, there is also another person or more persons in the other side, and this process, when there is the assembly and the discussion, is the Purva Paksha. So we have the debaters in one side, and we have also the speaker in the other side. So Vansatulado, when he used the word speaker, he's using the word Atma. Interesting. But this is
Even though there is an opposition,
okay.
Even though there is an opposition, it possesses the view of the writer's side, then it is called Purva Paksha. Clear? Opposition is there, but in that opposition itself, our idea is lying inside. Okay? Then we can call it as. What is the example he has given you, see?